Hey, what's up everybody out there in magical YouTube video land? This is a quick video tutorial on how to hide these little sidebars on the flexible grid on your Thinkorswim platform. Real quick, we'll do the subscribe long intro thing. Okay, enough of that. Now, when you go to your charts, you notice you got all your indicators here, you got your charting, you have some room to do all these little buttons and stuff because you're trading, hey, I'm trading here. And then when you go back to the flexible grid, you got the same big old buttons right here. Like, what's up with that? It's not even that, it's unsymmetrical. And everybody loves symmetry, right? Right. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go up and you want to click this button here. Then you want to click the customize grid. And look, bada boom, bada bing, it's a sidebar. You click it right there and then you click it right there. And there you go. It's gone. And now we got a nice even charts, and it's not all cluttered. And then we click right here and then click the customize grid and it's gone. Now I don't know, this might have been something that's a really easy fix. It took me like 4 days to figure this out. I even got fired from work because I was just obsessed with trying to figure this out, and I told my boss, like, hang on, I gotta try to do something. So he showed me the door, but it's all right because I made this video from it, right? Right. All right, so enough of that, and then we'll do that long intro thing again. All right, I'll have a good day and you guys have a good day too. All right, see you later.